What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my kitchen. Let's steam some snapper fish, but this is the fillet one. I have my fish washed in vinegar and lemon, and I season it with some fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm steaming this fish the healthy way. I'm not sauteing down the vegetables. I have some water to the pot, and now I'm adding the vegetables to it. Now I'm adding my seasoned fish. And as I said, this is the filet snapper. Now I'm adding some okra. Adding some all-purpose seasoning and some fish seasoning to the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this down to steam for a little 5 minutes before I add some more seasoning. Now I'm adding some fresh thyme and some scallion. And this is steamed fish, not stew fish. Steam. Okay? So now I'm adding some pimento. Yes, guys. And some bell pepper along with my hot pepper. Now I'm adding some plant-based butter, and this is optional. You can use any butter of choice, but this is what I'm using right now. So I'm just getting everything combined right there. And look at the pot bubbling up, bubbling up. I'm gonna turn the fish on the other side. Now that I turn them on the other side, I'm adding some more seasoning on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them steam a few more minutes on this side and then flip them again. Okay, guys, these are some big fish because they are fillet. All right. Now that I turn everything over, I'm adding some crackers. Yes, Excelsior water crackers. I'm gonna steam this down for another few minutes. And guys, look at my steamed fish and okra and crackers. The healthy way, Sister J style. Yummy, yummy, yeah man.